In the pursuit of the ultimate home improvement companion, my focus turned to the airless paint sprayer. Imagine this scene. A sun-kissed afternoon, an aging fence yearning for a fresh coat of paint, and you, armed with a paintbrush, bracing for an arduous muscle-straining task. Enter our protagonist, the airless paint sprayer. There are many products available to choose the best airless paint sprayers for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best airless paint sprayers for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. Experience the power and convenience of the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. This high-performance sprayer boasts an impressively fast and uniform coating application, making your painting projects a breeze. Its generously sized paint container allows you to complete even the largest jobs without stopping. The Magnum X5 is surprisingly easy to use and maintain, with its durable construction and simple controls. Plus, this sprayer is an affordable choice that delivers professional results, saving you time and money. Upgrade your painting game with the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. Number 2. Maxpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. Discover the Maxpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer, the perfect tool for all your painting projects. With high efficiency and minimal overspray, this sprayer is surprisingly easy to use and provides a professional finish every time. No need for thinning, you can start painting right away. Perfect for both home exterior and house interior painting projects. And with the included paint sprayer accessories, you have everything you need to get started. Don't break the bank on expensive painting services, get the Maxpray M1 and experience the value and affordability of this generously sized paint sprayer. Number 3. Cordless Airless Paint Sprayer. Welcome to the Cordless Airless Paint Sprayer, the perfect tool for all your painting needs. This airless electric HVLP spray paint gun is surprisingly easy to use and delivers a smooth, even finish on any surface. It's generously sized for painting home interiors and exteriors, wood, walls, furniture, fences, and doors with ease. And with its cordless feature, you can take it anywhere without worrying about finding a power source. Best of all, this affordable tool offers unbeatable value for its quality and performance, making it an excellent investment for any enthusiast or professional painter. Number 4. Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Airless Paint Sprayer. Step into the world of professional painting with the Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Airless Paint Sprayer. This high-efficiency airless sprayer delivers an impressive flow rate for large-scale painting projects, while its low overspray feature ensures precision and accuracy. The generously sized tank saves you time and effort, and the lightweight design makes it surprisingly easy to use. With its affordable price tag, this sprayer is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their painting game. Order yours now and transform your space with ease. Number 5. Himalaya Airless Paint Sprayer. If you've ever faced the daunting task of painting a room or even an entire house, you know just how much time and effort it can take. But with the Himalaya Airless Paint Sprayer, you can make quick work of any paint job, big or small. This surprisingly easy-to-use machine boasts a 3000 psi 58 HP 650W motor, making it an ideal choice for home interior, exterior, commercial use, and handyman professional contractor-grade spray paint machine. The generously sized paint tank means you'll spend less time refilling and more time painting. And with its affordable price, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Upgrade your painting game with the Himalaya high-pressure airless paint sprayer. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.